Hello y'all, it's me, it's Tobacco Baby. Welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing today? Um in today's video, I will be going over how and yes, I got a dermal. I will be posting a video about that later. But this video is about how I was able to dissolve my lip filler at home, okay? So I'm gonna get into a little story why I decided to do it. It's just not, for me right now. I feel like there's a chance I could go back to it, one day, but no. I just for right now, I needed it to go down. So that's what I did, and I'm just gonna be going over how I did it. It also does not take that long to work. It can work in like a few days. It just goes really quick and everything. So what you're gonna need first, of course, for this is this. This is something, I keep this in the refrigerator, okay? So you can order this from Amazon. It is 0.9% sodium chloride. I think this was yes, oh my gosh, just look up injectable saline. Injectable saline, honey. And you get this, So the next item that you're gonna need is expensive, honey. It is called Lipo Race Hyaluronidase. Okay? Hyaluronidase. I'm not going to lie, this was like $150. But if you're one of the baddies that is going to be doing lip fillers at your house like me, you're going to need one of these because, you never know. It's just important, like, what's it called? Risk, reducing behavior. Okay, honey? So that's what you do. You get this. And whenever you order this for $150, it's going to be in another language. Just disregard that. This method is the way you do it. This comes in a vial, and it's like a powder tablet. So if you have a syringe, my mom has syringes because she does allergy shots. So what I do is I take one of her syringes. I'm not going to do it because I already did it. And this is just a how-to video, but this is pretty much, you take this with a needle, you kind of like, get it in there, fill it up, and you put it in here. And you repeat until it is full. Full, full. You'll know when it's full because it will, like, not let you do no more. So then it's full. So then you just put it in your lips. So it just depends how much you have. I kind of just guesstimate. Really, I use about half. If I had a lot of filler, I probably had about 3 milliliters total of filler, and it kind of brought it down. Like, it's not like completely small, but it's not completely big. It's cute right now. So that's what brought it down. Yeah, it does hurt a lot more than the actual filler needle if you do it at home because you're doing it with the syringe instead of the needle that comes with the filler. Okay, honey? So yes, just keep this in the refrigerator. This you can keep for a minute. It stays good. I love this. And one of these days I'm probably going to put filler back in my lips, but it's not going to be now. And it'll be sometime in the distant future. So yes, thanks for watching my video. I'll catch ya in the next one, okay?